Dineo's Kota
The
show.
Kota. Personally, dude, this is my favorite Kota. Personally, maybe it's because I know Dineo. You know, we've been at it. She one of a kind. I like her, but I love her Kotas, bro. And I'm already starving talking about it. So this is Dinel's Kota. It's 20 rand. We got special cheese and bologna and egg. Then this is Archer right here with some, bro. You can tell this shit is good, bro. But let me tell you, bro, my mouth is watering, bro. Mm, mm, mm. The sauces are immaculate. They're immaculate. You want a bite? We also got some lettuce down there. It's crunchy. It's good. I might not finish this shit. Dog, there is cheesy. I low-key thought there was no cheese. For 22 bucks. Damn, bro. This is what I call a quarter. You gotta get yourself a quarter. I love how they don't over fry the bologna. Like it's not burnt or too fried. Like it's tender. They cooked it, they fried it, but it's not too much. It's fine. The chips are crispy. The cheese is layered correctly. Although I'll minus some points for arrangement. It's kinda all over the place. Like it's kinda falling apart. If it could contain itself. Because I'm the one holding it and now. Damn, bro, it's a lot of work. The yolk, perfect. Nigga, why are you looking at me? But then, yeah, from me, it's a 10. 10 out of 10. Because I love dinner, but if I'm being honest, I'd give it an 8 out of 10, maybe 7, but for the benefit of the doubt, I give it a 8 out of 10.
Staying up late, I'm writing a song, I don't even care. Sorry and sorry, frequently dropping, I'm only starting and living a movie that I am star. Feeling so hungry, I ain't even stopping. Changing my name, I feel like we love. So you might club with the club and talking this
6.
shit. I hardly
Because
panic, look at
mine,
this
I
shit.
feel
I
like there
hard up
was
heady, penny new shit.
not enough
Feel like I'm
chips.
Ramsey, most of these niggas
But
have never been
and
blessed.
also the
Wherever we go,
arrangements
scoring like
minus
Messi.
2,
I
minus
find
2.
shit, calling me
Damn.
bestie, she fuck with me. I ain't
But
even blessed.
overall,
These
it's
bitches go
not
calling me
good.
pussy. She's
So good,
stiffing like
bro.
Mexican
Good.
pussy. 4 a.m. in the morning, I'm still up.
So with that, go check out Dinner's got. Peace.